Dear students, yesterday I explained about first chapter notes. It was first main, choose the correct answer, second main, fill in the blanks, third main, match the following. Now the fourth main is 1 mark question. Answer the following questions in a sentence or a word. Each question carries 1 mark. First one, why does the problem of choice arise? Why does the problem of choice arise? Answer is, problem of choice arises due to limited resources and unlimited wants. Problem of choice arises due to limited resources and unlimited wants. Second one, what is market economy? What is market economy? Answer, in a market economy, all economic activities are controlled and managed by the private people. Controlled and managed by the private people means market economy. Okay. Third one, what do you mean by centrally planned economy? What do you mean by centrally planned economy? In a centrally planned economy, all economic activities are controlled and managed by the central government. In a centrally planned economy, all economic activities are controlled and managed by the central government. Fourth question, give the meaning of microeconomics. Micro means small only, which studies small activities, like which studies small units of an economy. Which studies the small units of an economy? The answer is microeconomics deals with the analysis of small units of the economy. Analysis of small units of the economy, such as individual consumer, individual producer, individual price, individual wages, individual income, particular commodity, etc. Fifth one, what do you mean by positive economics? What do you mean by positive economics? The study of what was and what is under the given set of circumstances is called positive economics. So once again, fifth question, what do you mean by positive economics? Answer is the study of what was and what is under the given set of circumstances is called positive economics. Okay, next, sixth question, what is normative economics? Normative economics studies what ought to be. You can add what should be done, what should not be done, what is good, what is bad. You can write. Okay, up to this 1 mark question. Next, main 2 marks question. Answer the following questions in 4 sentences each. First question, mention the central problems of an economy. Mention the central problems of an economy. Okay, as you know that first one is what is produced and in what quantities. Second one is how are these goods produced. Third one is for whom are these goods produced. Okay, so we can write what to produce, how to produce, and for whom to produce. Okay, this was the first question. Second question is distinguish between micro and macroeconomics. Distinguish between micro and macroeconomics. Okay. Okay, so one side is micro, another one is macro. Okay, under the microeconomics, it deals with the study of the behavior of individual economic units such as a firm, an industry, a price, a consumer, etc. As microeconomics intensive study. Then microeconomics slicing method, microeconomics partial equilibrium, microeconomics microscopic view. Okay, so once again repeat, microeconomics, it deals with the study of the behavior of individual economic units such as a firm, an industry, a price, a consumer, etc. As macroeconomics, it deals with the large parts of the economy such as aggregate demand and supply, aggregate demand and aggregate supply, general price level, national income, aggregate income. So like this aggregate investment. So this is called as macroeconomics. Under the microeconomics, second point is intensive study. Macroeconomics, brief study. Under the microeconomics, third point, slicing method. Under the macroeconomics, third point is lumping method. Under the microeconomics, fourth point is partial equilibrium. Under the macroeconomics, fourth point is general equilibrium. So under the microeconomics, last point is microscopic view. Under the macroeconomics, last point is bird's eye view. Okay. Okay, next, third one. Third question. Distinguish between positive and normative economics. Distinguish between positive and normative economics. So first one is positive economics, second one is normative economics. Under the positive economics, first point, it deals with the scientific explanation of the working of the economy. It deals with the scientific explanation of the working of the economy. Normative economics, it studies what ought to be, like what should do. Okay. Then positive economics, second point, it concerned with how the economy performs. How the economy performs, the basic problems of what to produce, how to produce, for whom to produce, like this. Normative economics, it is concerned with how the basic functions should be performed. See, positive economics, how the economy performs. Okay, normative economics should be performed. Then positive economics do not pass any value judgment. Normative economics pronounce value judgment. That means positive economics cannot give any suggestions, but normative economics, it can give the suggestions. What is good, what is bad, what should be done, what should not be done, like this. Okay. Positive economics, descriptive study. Normative economics, prescriptive study. Okay. Up to this, distinguish between positive and normative economics. Then fourth question. What do we mean by production possibility set? Production possibility set. So this is also one of the important as production possibility frontier. So answer is the collection of all possible combinations of the goods and services. The collection of all possible combinations of the goods and services that can be produced from a given amount of resources. Given amount of resources and a given stock of technological knowledge. Technological knowledge is called the production possibility set. Once again, the collection of all possible combinations of the goods and services that can be produced from a given amount of resources. Given amount of resources and a given stock of resources and a given stock of technological knowledge. Given stock of technological knowledge is called the production possibility set. Okay. Next, what is opportunity cost? What is opportunity cost? Opportunity cost of some activity is the gain foregone from the second best activity. Foregone from the second best activity. That means to get off another commodity, we should sacrifice the present commodity. Okay. So that is. Then sixth one, what is production possibility frontier? A graphical representation of all the possible combination of two goods that can be produced with the given amount of resources and technology is called production possibility frontier. A graphical representation of all the possible combination of two goods that can be produced with the given amount of resources and technology is called production possibility frontier. See, up to this 2 marks question. In next class, I will explain and I will give notes about 4 marks questions and answers. See here in the second question of 2 marks, distinguish between micro and macro. Here, the last point is microscopic view. Means the microeconomics can study through microscopic view. That means it can study small parts of an economy. As macroeconomics study large parts of an economy like aggregate. That means bird's eye view. Bird's eye view. That means if a bird fly very high, at that time it can see everything from the high. So that's why it is say like that, bird's eye view. Okay, thank you.